know that Mother's Day is around the corner. Y'all know this. Y'all also know Father's Day is creeping up. And on top of that, y'all got graduation. Y'all got all of the things. And I'm here to tell you guys that Mint and Lily is going to be your go-to for giving those gifts for this holiday season. And thank you so much to Mint and Lily for collabing with me on today's vlog, you guys. I can't tell you guys enough good things about Mint and Lily. Y'all know I did a collab with them before where I got my my bracelet that I absolutely love, and then I have an initial necklace that says J. So y'all, I'm back again with the things, okay? So just know Mint and Lily is a company that I definitely swear by. Not only is the packaging top tier, but also, you guys, I sleep in my jewelry. I bathe in my jewelry. I never take it off. And y'all, I've had this bracelet as well as my necklace for quite some time. So probably about 6-7 months. No turning. The engraving on here still looks just like I bought it. So definitely 10 out of 10 recommend when it comes to that. But y'all, I got some new pieces. Mint and Lily did not come to play, you guys. And this time I wanted to do more things centered around me and Joe. So y'all know I'm married, and our anniversary was April 18th. So I was like, you know what? On top of the things that Joe gave me, I wanted to like gift myself something. And so that is where Mint and Lily came in, you guys. Not only is Mint and Lily affordable, you guys, and you can personalize it, but it comes in these cute little white pouches. I absolutely love them. These make like the perfect little holder when you're giving your gifts. Me personally, throw this in a bag, call it a day. But like I mentioned, you guys, I decided to treat myself. So let's see what I got. Y'all, look at this, top tier. Now, I love the fact that it comes with these cleaning cloths because, you know, you may want to do a little razzle dazzle with your jewelry. And on top of that, you guys, it comes in these cute little pouches. Absolutely love it. This right here is my ring, you guys. I ordered this birthstone ring, and it has Joe's birthstone, the girls, and mine. And so it's in order. So Joe, me, Leah, Carmen, Nora. I think it's absolutely cute. I am actually going to wear this on my ring finger with my wedding bands, and I'm just going to stack them. Thought they were absolutely cute. So next up, you guys, I got this double name ring necklace. I thought this was so cute. And it's definitely giving the anniversary vibes, you guys. I told you guys that we just celebrated our anniversary, and this was a great gift that I was able to give myself. So not only does it have my name on it, but it also has my husband's name as well. And I love the interlocking feature. It comes in 3 different colors, you guys. It comes in rose gold, 18 karat gold, and then silver is what you see here. I think it's a good piece for me to wear. I absolutely love stacking and layering my jewelry. And so Mint and Lily gives me the ability to do that, you guys. Not only am I able to stack it, but Mint and Lily also offers fast shipping, which is a must because you guys know in the day and age where things are happening and you need those last minute gifts, fast shipping definitely comes in handy. And did I also mention that they have free shipping for anything over $65. Y'all, it is such a good deal and perfect in time for all of the events that you guys have going on in your life. And so whether you're wanting to treat yourself, whether you're wanting to give this to someone else, y'all, definitely check out Mint and Lily. The jewelry is amazing, top tier. And like I said, I bathe in this. Now, this is what it looks like, you guys. And you guys can have this too by just ordering using my link in the description box below. Like I mentioned, you guys, Mint and Lily is the way to go for all of your jewelry needs and for that personalization, and that is going to let you be the talk of the party, you guys. And so head on over to Mint and Lily, use my discount code here, and so that way Mint and Lily knows that I sent you. And y'all, go ahead and get your shop on, okay? Because this jewelry is something that you're going to want to wear all of the time. And thank you so much, Mint and Lily, for collabing on today's video. And y'all, let's get into today's vlog. Hello, beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me, and I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey, y'all. And so today's vlog, you guys, we are refreshing this backyard because, it's a hot mess express. I got some dead plants out here. I got plants that need to be repotted. Y'all seen that I got these Majesty palms from Publix in my last vlog. So yeah, y'all, we gotta get this stuff done. So I figured I would take you guys along with me. And so if you want some motivation on getting your backyard together, then definitely keep on watching. So first things first, we've got to clean off this porch. I have so many dead plants, just stuff that I've just like had out here that I've been putting off. But y'all, it's May, and I plan on utilizing the space a lot. The kids like to sit out here. I like to sit out here. So yeah, we need to get this done. And so I'm just taking everything off and putting it in the yard. And so that way I can evaluate and scope the scenery out with everything that we have here. And so you are seeing me going through all these old plants and getting rid of stuff just because why is it here? We need to get all the old stuff out and come in with the new. Are you guys planning on redoing your patio this summer? Let me know down in the comments below. Also, let me know if you guys are reusing your patio furniture, or are you changing things around? I am going to be reusing mine this summer. However, I did get all new plants, but I'm looking for ideas in the future. So let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. One major asset to our patio, you guys, is this TV. Now, we initially had another TV out here that Joe found at a yard sale for like $150. However, when Hurricane Helene came through, it literally wiped our TV out because, hey, we didn't know we were getting a hurricane. We just thought it was going to be, you know, some wind, a little bit of rain, nothing that major. And so when we came out, we noticed that the TV was broken. So Joe purchased this one during Black Friday. Y'all, it is definitely the main attraction when we have guests come over. And so Joe will turn it on. We'll have like the game on or different movies. And this gives our guests another place to like be entertained. Now that the patio is clean, it is time to pressure wash. And so I am pressure washing the siding on the back of the house just because I'm noticing it's a little dirty. And then we're going to go in and pressure wash the patio itself. All right, y'all, so it is time to get into these plants, okay? I put on these gloves so y'all know I'm standing on big business, okay? And so I just have, also, you guys, let's go back. I did not realize that there were so many types of soil. I've never really paid attention. I'm about to be in my gardening era, and I didn't realize like it was so many different kinds. And so I got this from Home Depot. It was about $6 and some change. These pots, well, this pot that I have here, this was a clay pot that I spray painted God knows when. And then those other two big pots, y'all remember I got those from Dollar Tree and spray painted those black with some leftover spray paint. And since I'm not undoing this water hose because I still got some stuff to do, I'm just giving a little sprinkle, okay, with this pressure washer. It's going to do the same thing. It's no need in me unhooking it. Joe done put it together and he wasn't home and I ain't have time to be trying to figure it out. Now, what y'all didn't see off camera was I had went ahead and taken the seat cushions from out of the chairs and went ahead and gave them a wash. They hadn't been washed since last year, and with all the pollen and all that stuff, ain't nobody have time for that. So I'm just going ahead and moving everything back, starting first with the rug. And we're going to like move some things around because you guys can make the most out of the things that you have just by changing like the position of the furniture or, you know, adding little odds and ends and stuff like that. But I'm not adding anything new, y'all. The only thing that's new is these plants. So we're just going to rearrange this furniture so that way we can maximize the space. Also, y'all, so that way we can get out of the back door without, you know, having the chair immediately right there. It works out good too when we have guests. But as you guys can see, this is what we're looking like, y'all. This space looks so much better. And y'all, I cannot wait to sit out here during the summer. But that's going to be it for this vlog, you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.